All right, now we are learning about estimating and measuring mass. So how can you estimate and measure mass in metric units? Pedro has a dollar bill in his pocket. Should Pedro measure the mass of the dollar bill in grams or kilograms? So the gram is the basic metric unit for measuring mass. Mass is like how much something weighs, or the amount of matter in an object. Mass can be measured by using the metric unit kilogram. So when you're measuring mass, it could be measured in grams or kilograms. But now we need to decide, okay, so when do I use grams and when do I use kilograms? So a small paper clip has a mass of about 1 gram. A box of 1,000 paper clips has a mass of about 1 kilogram. So Pedro should measure the mass of the dollar bill in what? Well, if I look here, it's easier to measure or to measure mass using grams if it is a smaller object. If it is a bigger object, then you want to use kilograms. All right, so if Pedro was measuring the mass of a dollar bill, he should use it in measuring it in grams or kilograms. Grams. All right, so this next activity, we need that pan balance. So we're going to skip over there. Same with this activity as well. All right. So if we look here down at this first share and shell, it says 5 bananas have a mass of about what? So if you look at this pan balance scale, a balance scale, I should first explain, is a way to measure mass. So let's say I have bananas here and a kilogram here, like we have in this picture. If it is balanced equally, then we know that they are about the same. So the bananas should weigh about 1 kilogram. Let's say the kilogram was down here and the bananas were up in the air. That means that the kilogram would weigh more than what these bananas weigh. If the bananas were down farther and the kilogram was up higher, then the bananas would weigh more than 1 kilogram. Now let's take a look over here. It says, choose the unit you would use to measure the mass. Write gram or kilogram. So think, a strawberry is small, so that would be measured in what? Grams or kilograms? Grams. A dog would be measured in probably kilograms. Now, compare the masses of the objects. Write is less than, is the same as, or is more than. So the mass of the bowling pin, remember, it's like a teeter-totter. If you weigh more than the other person, then you're going to go down and the heavier person will go down and the lighter person will go up. So the mass of the bowling pin is what? The mass of the chess piece. So it is more than. The mass of erasers is what compared to the mass of the clips? So since they are about at the same level, it would be the same as. All right, now you guys can go ahead and on your own try out these problems up until page 608.